Holika Dahan, the story of the biggest example of hamartia, which we study in English literature. So, happy Holi, everybody, and welcome to the Legit Sit series. So, today we are going to know that how is it related? How does this Holika Dahan is related to the hamartia? Hamartia is when your tragic flaw leads to your own decline, a character's decline, and each and everything of the character is very great, but that one trait leads to the complete decline, okay, complete turning of the entire emotions, entire happenings of the life of the entire hero or character, right? So what did Holika did? Holika had got this boon blessing from Brahma that she could not be harmed by the fire. So Hiranyakashyap, who hated Lord Vishnu, and his own son, you know, Prahlad, who worshipped Vishnu, who was so much attracted and being connected to Lord Vishnu. What he did, he hated it, of course, because he hated Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. So what he did, he asked Holika, who has got this boon to not be burned in fire, to just sit on fire and take his own her own nephew, that is Prahlad, on her laps, and then Prahlad would be burned up and Holika would survive, of course, because she has got boon. That is what they thought. But her intention was wrong, and hence she had got boon just because, to for her own self, and she would have sat alone. She won't have, burned in the fire. But she did it for with the intention of harming someone else. Her this very task led to her own downfall, and she died, and Hiranyakashyap saw him burning alive in front of his own eyes and couldn't do anything, and Prahlad was saved. So we also see this tragic flaw, like in the Macbeth. He was such a great person, but killing of King Duncan, after murdering King Duncan, he could not sleep. He had sleepless nights, and this one act led to his complete downfall. Now, what is the difference between hamartia as well as this tragic flaw? We'll be discussing this in the next video. So you can subscribe to the channel for getting it as soon as it gets uploaded. And also, guys, you will get in the description box one of the link for the entire Let's Sit series, where we are covering all of such videos. We discuss about literature, we chat about it in the comment sections. You can share your views about, like today is one only, what you feel about it. What was Holika's entire tragic flaw as well as hamartia? Give them both if you know the difference between tragic flaw and hamartia, and we'll also discuss it in the next video, right? So yeah, subscribe.